cousin here, Jill, and today we're gonna make some ice cream sandwiches. Let's go. Okay, but first we have some ice cream and cookies. That's all you really much need. Okay, but I'm gonna drive 2 cookies, and then you drive 2, and then we're gonna put some ice cream on here. Maybe might need some a little bit more. And then he's gonna brush it. Put a scoop of ice cream on this one. And then do all scoop. And then press this on. And then we'll push that down. And then we'll put another one on, and then he'll push it down, and then we're ready to eat. Tongue temperature.